Kajinyalang kakenhun menteri ke sorkar MDA2 haka apsau terik lalengkot arajar arpusau kalasim ya karai ban penkelai kerta haka baide berkejing thepkam haka tran pulin dak babu bakistam la kiba thepkam kidai ban long hapo kerta kaba arpunyo snem haba kren sigilap thai kubor uba pol Lyngdoh no aktien ke sorkar MDA2 ulong bak sorkar kalabu arpuai snem kum ka minimum bat arpunyo snem kum ka upper age limit ban thep kampulet bat yakane karai lasim ban pendap ya ka jingduna ki nongtrei hakatnat kampulen shuh luang bak sorkar kan sim saat ni lai teyo ban pelai ki advertisement like kampulet bat kindan lai harjar tam ki kam ki balai hakatnan.
We also took up the issue of minimum and maximum age limit for recruitment into government service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would, the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit as decided by the Cabinet today has been fixed ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defence and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of what was discussed at today's Cabinet. As I was trying to explain to you, see, these would include posts, for instance, of junior scale MPS posts, then UB, AB, SIs. All of these posts are those which require people who will be younger in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the Cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today. As I said, we will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months.
So this will address the shortage of manpower?
It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem. Considering the number of vacancies and also the fresh posts that have been created, it comes to that figure of 3,000 plus.
No, that's what if you have a separate figure like.
No, today we only approved.
Arise because of retirement.
No, today what we did was we were only briefed about the progress made so far, but when it comes to details, those will be shared with you subsequently. No, at this point of time, our major concern is with the manpower deficit and also the need to have, a lot of people serving us in these various posts, which is why we have considered a minimum age limit which is different from the other departments as well as the upper age limit.